Welcome back. Today, we're exploring the newest IKEA arrivals that mix smart design, daily function, and Scandinavian style. From cozy dinnerware and versatile storage to playful decor and tech-friendly pieces, these products will refresh your home and make life easier. 1. BLOMPRAKT Bluetooth Speaker Lamp, beige. A sleek lamp speaker with dimmable light and clear sound. Angle it as you like. Tap Spotify Tap to resume music, and pair multiple speakers for fuller audio. Great for podcasts, dinners, or relaxed evenings. 2. FLODNEJONÖGA Spoon, set of 3. Wood, 3 sculptural wooden spoons that serve, stir, and decorate. Each stands upright on its flat base for a playful touch. Solid wood ages beautifully with everyday use. 3. SKEDSTÖR Teapot, mixed colors. A colorful Scandinavian teapot with a removable infuser for clean pours. The folding handle makes filling and storing easier. A stylish and functional way to enjoy tea. 4. VITTSJÖ Coffee Table, light beige, charmed glass, a light beige frame with tempered glass above and warm walnut below. Minimal yet warm, with adjustable feet for stability. A refined piece for modern living rooms. 5. SANDSKÄDDA Bowl Yellow. This ochre yellow bowl has a rustic, handmade feel. Stackable and dishwasher safe, it pairs easily with gray-beige pieces for a coordinated, vibrant table setting. 6. SANDSKÄDDA Mug. Yellow, a tactile yellow mug with rustic charm. Durable, stackable, and dishwasher safe. It blends tradition with modern practicality. 7. SANDSKÄDDA Side Plate. Yellow A cozy side plate with a warm ochre finish and tactile surface. Ideal for snacks or desserts. Stackable and easy care. 8. VARDAGEN Pot with lid, enameled cast iron. Perfect for stews and roasts. This enameled cast iron pot heats evenly and retains warmth. The self-basting lid keeps food succulent, and it's induction and oven ready. 9. PURRPINGLA Storage Case, textile and beige. Keep clothes and linens dust-free under the bed or in wardrobes. Vent holes keep fabrics fresh, and the wipeable interior adds structure, made with mostly recycled polyester. 10. LÅNESPELARE Computer cart with shelf, black adjustable for most towers. This cart rolls out for easy cleaning or repositioning. The top shelf holds drives, consoles, or snacks. A tidy base for flexible setups. (11) FÄRGSÄTTARE Wall Shelf Combination, a modular wall shelf system for books, decor, and essentials. Free floor space, style your entryway, or expand storage as your needs grow. (12) Vinterfin Vase, frosted glass dark white snowball-inspired frosted glass vase with a narrow opening for long stems. Evokes winter landscapes while adding elegance to interiors. (13) Perlhägg Vase, yellow beige rounded contours and a glossy finish reflect light beautifully. The slim opening gathers flowers neatly, doubling as a bold decorative piece. (14) Svartabor baking sheet rack, foldable black stage trays before the oven and cool bakes after. Saves counter space, prevents burns, and folds flat for easy storage. (15) VARDAGEN Spoon, set of 2, glass multicolor colorful glass spoons add a playful touch to desserts or appetizers. Heat-resistant and comfortable to hold, they mix elegance with fun. (16) Rosentorp Extendable Table, black A round pedestal table that extends with a hidden butterfly leaf. Smooth finishes resist daily wear, and the oval shape fits extra guests with ease. (17) SKEDSTÖR Teapot, clear glass, a fluted glass teapot with an integrated infuser. Heat-resistant with a secure handle and lid to keep drinks warm and stylishly served. (18) VARDAGEN Wok with Lid, carbon steel, a carbon steel wok that heats quickly and evenly. Angled sides make tossing easy, the flat base adds stability, and the clear lid retains heat. Induction friendly. That's our roundup of the latest IKEA products. Which one's your favorite? Share in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more IKEA finds and home inspiration. Thanks for watching. See you next time.